I have to say, what a difference. You guys hear that? Let me do it again. Wow. Wow. That's all I gotta say. I didn't need a roller. Just put gloves on and press it into the, you know, like that. Just sweep it. Look at that. The wall's done. I'm missing a little bit there, but I've actually heard this. You guys ever seen that short where I slam my door and I just like, I love this? Listen. That's even more solid than it's ever been. Now I hear the rattle in the box. So she's ready. I put some fluid film on these pieces here to stop any corrosion. I might put anti-seize on them too, just to, you know, double prevent. These back plastics are here. They're broken on both of these. So these are broken. That door panel is broken. I can't remember these kick plates. I think these are okay here. This one here's got a crack in it, like I said. But that carpet right there has been out of this truck for a while. And I'm going to drag it out and put it in there right now. And then once I get that in, I can't really put everything back in properly because I still have to put some seam sealer along here, right here. You can see this is where I had to grind off the old seam sealer. So I want to basically put seam sealer all the way down here, and I want to do it over there too. You can just see that rust right there. That's where the seam sealer was, and I've got to put more seam sealer along there so I can cut that bit of chrome off or whatever and do that. So yeah, I'm gonna pull that down. That's literally the only reason I ever built this across here was to actually put the mat there. That's it. That's the only reason I did it. So I mean, it'll stay like that. No reason for me to take it apart, but I've got to drag this down now, so I'm gonna do that now. Man, that's been a long time coming. Carpet's in. She's a little dirty. When I pulled this thing out, I gotta tell you, I pulled it out and I took it over to the car wash and I pressure washed it, and there's still a lot of sand in this. Like, actually not as much, because when it was actually in there, every time I touched it, sand was falling. So I actually, while it was up there, I actually beat it and I swept all the sand out. So majority of the sand that was in this was out of it. So seat belts mount there. This is for the seat here. So wiring there for the power seats. Well, the lumbar anyways. And yeah, like I said, here you got to see where I need to seam seal this all up along here. So I'll seam seal that. Also, like I said, I want to seam seal the bottom. So I think you know what, I actually might put my milk crate back in this real quick and just pull the truck up a little bit further, move my car over, pull the truck up there. That's what I'm going to do. Hold on. I prematurely took the milk crate out, apparently. Still got work to do on this thing. Well, that's my seat for now. You know what? I actually think it is quieter in here already. I believe it's quieter in here already. A lot quieter, actually. Give myself room here. Pull that there. It's kind of a good thing too, because this seat here was given out. Well, she's not fully back together, but the carpet's in, the sound barrier's in. I just said that in the wrong order there. Sound barrier, carpet, and now the couch. And it's all mounted up. Kind of new hardware. The seat belts are bolted in there pretty good. Well, pretty good. They're done. Pull this thing back. The power's actually all hooked up back to it too. There's a ground wire right here that is broken off, and I assume it's actually supposed to go to the back of this underneath here, which I've got the seat back, so you can't really see it. But yeah, everything's in here. It's all done. I got to put that back wall plastic piece in there, and a bunch of that stuff's in here. But you know what? I never noticed that actually. So before that gets too bad, what I'd like to do is see if I can get a seat cover for this. And yeah, I mean, listen to that though. Now that this, oh wait, that thing did a bounce. Oh, it actually sound like on the other side there when I close that one now. Oh, interior's in, not all the way, but you know what? She's like 90% carpet. That's in, so I can actually hop in her now and drive it if I want. So yeah, what a day. It's summertime, so I guess I can close my glove box now. I leave my glove box open in the winter so that the critters don't have a place to hide. Now the carpet's in it and the seats in it, well, they're gonna have a place to hide, but right now this warm weather, they don't really need a spot. So I'm gonna call this one done. Just a really quick video, guys. Got the sound barrier in and I'm happy with that. I've already noticed a difference. It's just like, just that alone, just like, wow, what a difference. I want to order a little bit more because, like I said, when we get the door panels off, I'd actually like to get a sheet and put it in here. Just one sheet in the doors would make a huge difference, and it, just like that just made a huge difference. So putting them in the doors would be great too, and it probably wouldn't hurt if I ever wanted to pull down this liner and put one up there, or one, like two right across here. So I may end up ordering some more sound barrier stuff, but yeah. That's the only blemish in the carpet, right there. So kudos, woohoo! I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy. Hope you guys are glad to see that thing together. I'm leaking fluids apparently. I got to figure out what that is. So I'm gonna call this done for now, guys. Once again, interior 90% done, and yeah, truck's getting closer and closer and closer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Sorry for the wind. It's one of those things, and these lights are really, really annoying. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.